Alright, so how do you speed dial on the Motorola phone? Depending on your phone type and software version, there's a couple of ways to do this. So first, we would go to the phone app. And then, on some Motorola phones, you go to the keypad and you can just long press any number on the keypad, and you'll see a pop-up appear on the screen asking you to assign a speed dial contact for that number. Number 1 is usually reserved for your voicemail, but number 2 through 9 would be available for this. But as you can see, my phone doesn't give me a pop-up when I press a number. That means my phone has the newer software version, which actually got rid of this old school speed dial. Instead, the new way to handle speed dial is through the Favorites feature within your phone app. So, when you go to the phone app, on the Home tab here, you'll see my favorites up top. I believe sometimes you might see a Favorites tab on the bottom, but on mine, it's on top of the homepage. And there's a little button to add more favorites. So I could tap Add, and then find the person who I want to have on speed dial. And after that, every time I go to the phone app, I see my favorites, or my speed dial options, up here. And this is basically the new, modern version of speed dial. I'll tap a contact, choose how I want to call, video call or regular, check the box below if you want to use the same type of call every time, and then just tap the phone button to call your contact. And that is how you speed dial on a Motorola. Click that like button if this video helped you, and share the video with a friend who needs help with this. Thanks all, until next time.